If you are wondering how to save money during inflation, you're not alone, and you're not the problem. Prices keep rising, but your income doesn't. And yet most people trying to save right now, they're doing it wrong, and it's costing them. In this video, I'll show you how to avoid the most common money mistakes during inflation and the simple fixes that actually work. Mistake number 1, chasing discounts blindly. You think you're saving when you buy something on sale, but that deal is draining your wallet. Buying things you didn't need just because they're discounted isn't smart. It's strategic overspending. Fix it by only spending on what solves a real problem. Value beats price every time. Mistake number 2, using an outdated budget. Still using the same budget from 3 months ago? Inflation changes prices fast. If your budget stays the same, you're underestimating your spending and likely overspending. Review your budget monthly. Adjust based on what things cost now, not what they used to, if you want to fix this. Mistake number 3, saving only in cash. Cash might feel safe, but during inflation, it's quietly losing value. You're saving, but what you save today buys less tomorrow. Use high-yield savings, treasury bills, or trusted digital tools. Store your money where it grows, not where it fades. Mistake number 4, cutting all joy. Canceling everything fun might feel like discipline until it backfires. You'll eventually binge spend out of frustration. Budget joy in small amounts. Saving is sustainable when it still feels human. Bonus insight, doing everything alone? Don't try to save money in isolation. Most people stay broke longer because they don't talk about money at all. Connect with a money-minded community. YouTube channels like Ellent Finance, podcasts, or groups can change your mindset and your money. Let's recap. Don't chase fake savings. Don't use outdated budgets. Don't save in cash only. Don't cut out all joy. Don't isolate financially. Inflation is tough, but you're tougher. And if you avoid these mistakes, you'll do more than survive. You'll get ahead. You're not alone, but now you're better equipped since you now know better. Subscribe for more quick money guides from Ellent Finance and comment below. Which of these mistakes have you made? You've got this.